Surfer recently introduced a integration with SEMrush. I've never used SEMrush, but I'm interested. I use Ahrefs just because that's kind of what I've been told by the various people who've been teaching me about marketing to use. But I've been curious about it. I like trying out new tools, so I'm going to try out this and I'm going to do a live walkthrough of just trying this out. So I'm hitting start now for free, and I don't use a Google account to continue to Surfer, which is kind of annoying. Can I do another? No, I'm already logged into Surfer. I'm gonna try just to log in. Okay, I'm already logged into Surfer. That is super weird. Is SEMrush a Google tool? I don't know. It's strange. Try again. Well, that's just annoying. I guess I'll just do it, but I'm not really happy about it. And see, it's like asking me for my data. I do think it's probably helpful to see my Search Console data. I mean, I've already connected this before. I actually need to connect it to a different email address. Looking at all my email addresses, it already has some access. Okay, yeah, I already did this, but it's a very weird workflow to have me just automatically sign in with Google. It was very unexpected. I'm not pleased about that. It doesn't explain why it wants you to sign into Google. I think a lot of people don't care, but I care. Okay, well, I already have GrowFlow, so why is it having me do it again? I'm so confused. I thought I was doing SEMrush. What? What is it asking me to do? Okay, I'm gonna go back. I already have my, does it has me logged in as my Gmail account. Okay, that doesn't make any sense. Okay, so it's made me a Surfer account. What it looks like, it's made me a new Surfer account, and I can get to the SEMrush integration here. Okay, I'm signing out and going back to my just normal email sign in. It's so strange. Okay, let's see. SEMrush integration. Here we go after 5 minutes or whatever. Oh, okay, so now it wants me to sign in with SEMrush. Well, I don't have a SEMrush account, so let's see what I should do here. So I don't have one. I'm gonna hit sign up, and I'm gonna do my email address. Okay, gotta do a code. Okay. Why did I do that? Okay. So it's asking me to receive access to domain analytics and backlinks analytics. I mean, that sounds like, I guess, a good idea for Surfer. We'll see. Okay, connected with SEMrush. Cool. But it doesn't look helpful because I haven't done anything with SEMrush. I'm going to check my GrowFlow. So GrowFlow is a pretty cool feature because it analyzes your articles and then tells you what keywords to add. So I've got this whole thing here. I don't immediately see a new change with SEMrush, but maybe it's because I don't really have SEMrush set up. So I guess I'll do that. Let me actually log in and set up SEMrush. Okay, so I'm logged in here to SEMrush. I've never used it before. It's kind of similarly not a pretty UI, just like Ahrefs. So I've got this free account. I guess I want to add my domain. My website is renaissancerachel.com. There it is. So I guess I'll add it. Cool. It's giving me, ooh, my authority score is better than the one on Ahrefs. That's funny. Okay. It's got that. It's telling me my organic traffic, which, that's all right. Domain overview, keyword overview, backlinks analytics. Is it going to connect my website automatically? I I'm just trying to do the ones that I noticed that um, Surfer said that they connect to, because I want to see what it does in GrowFlow. I got a one backlink found yesterday. All right, cool. Top anchors, okay. Anyway, let me do domain overview. It's doing this one. Okay. GrowFlow. Is it going to do anything new? Do I see it in my view report? I just don't know where I'm supposed to see this SEMRush stuff. So it's been integrated. So maybe once I have new tasks, it'll give me SEMRush related tasks. I'm going to stop here and then check back in 2 hours, which is kind of annoying because I can't like do anything right now. I can't just like automatically ask for new tasks, and see if it has given me SEMRush tasks back. I have not refreshed the page, so you are seeing this live. Refreshing right now. Okay, so I've gotten new tasks, and now I'm expecting to see something in here from SEMRush. All right, so this is saying insert link. No, that's what they already had. Okay, well, what do I need to do to add in the SEMRush thing? It's very confusing because it said SEMRush integration. I integrated it and it's not shown up in my GrowFlow. So that's disappointing. Oh, is it this one? Okay, that's interesting. I did not even see this because it was all the way down at the bottom. Now this is what's new. This had not been here before. So this is what was new in GrowFlow, and this is what I'm guessing comes from the SEMRush integration. I can see these referring domains, and then this is helping me get some ideas on where I should adjust my link building strategy. Although these are very low quality websites. I like, why would I want to get, a link from this blogspot one? So I don't know. I mean, I've been doing some research on SEMRush and versus Ahrefs, and SEMRush looks like a really great tool that I'm definitely going to try out. But so far, I'm not that impressed with the integration. It's got a ways to go.